In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have your account set up, your key information in place, and you'll know where to go to manage the day-to-day finances of your business. Let's start right at the beginning with your account and company setup. First, create a QuickBooks Online account using a work email that you check regularly, then sign in to access the main dashboard. As soon as you're in, QuickBooks will guide you through a short setup flow. Here, enter your company's legal name exactly as it appears on your official documents. Select your industry and fill in any other essential details it asks for. If you're moving from another accounting system, look for the option to migrate or import data so you don't have to retype everything later. Once the basics are in, take a moment to personalize your company information. Go to Settings, then Account and Settings. This is where you can upload your logo, confirm your address and contact details, and tweak how your business name appears on sales forms like invoices and estimates. Spending a few extra minutes here helps your documents look professional and consistent to your customers. Next, let's connect your accounts and bring in your data. From the banking section, link your business bank and credit card accounts so that transactions flow into QuickBooks automatically. Make sure you're only connecting business accounts, not personal ones, to keep your records clean and your reports accurate. If you previously used another accounting tool or spreadsheets, import your existing lists of customers, suppliers, and your chart of accounts. This saves a lot of manual entry and helps you get up and running faster. Now it's time to configure the core features you'll use most often. Customize your invoices with your branding, choose a layout you like, set standard payment terms, and decide what information you want to show, such as due dates or purchase order numbers. If your business needs to charge sales tax, turn on and set up sales tax so it's automatically added to invoices and tracked for what you owe. If you run payroll, follow the prompts to add employees, set pay schedules, and handle payroll taxes inside QuickBooks. Finally, explore and manage your new setup. Add users who need access, such as your bookkeeper or accountant, and assign appropriate permissions. Start running basic reports to see profits, expenses, and cash flow. And get familiar with the dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of how your business is doing and acts as your home base for all your everyday tasks in QuickBooks Online.